Hey there, everybody. Z here, coming at you live once more through the power of the Pro 11 SEO channel. First and foremost, I do want to apologize. I'm a little bit sick, so I do apologize if my throat is a little bit more raspy than usual. Okay? Secondly, we're finally back in Bob's New World. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this up here, or rather, this over here, the menu icons. Okay? Now, menus are a super important aspect of a website. They are what allow us to navigate everything. They are what takes us from point A to point B. They are essential to what it is that we do as developers. Because even at here at the bottom, there's still menus over here, right? So when we're taking a look at something like this, we first and foremost want to decide what hierarchy are these menus going to have. Okay, so in this case, we've got a calligraphy designer website here. Now, I want to make this into a gaming website, for example. I need to come over here and see, okay, what pages do I want to work with, all right? What is going to be my home page? If you see over here, you click down here, this is the home page. Do I want an About Us page? Of course I do. A Works page? Of course I do. A Service page? We could turn that into a blogs page, and then finally a contact us page, right? So basically, if you go to any website, this menu over here is going to be somebody's primary way of navigating through things. In the header of the website, in this section of the website, everything there is meant to take you somewhere where you're meant to be. If we come over here and say view all, you can see there's various pages here. We're not going to worry about that for now, all right? What we're going to look at is see here, inside we've got a navigation label. So basically, if I had to change this to home page, for example, and update that by pressing enter, and come over here and reload the page, you would see that it changes to home page, right? Usually for home, we can leave it as home, or what you can also do is change this icon here to act as a home button. Because if we click on this, it'll take us back to our home page. For example, that is what a lot of websites do. A la YouTube, a la um, Amazon Prime. They don't have a home button here, they've got one here. Though usually having a home button is just nicer because if we were to say, for example, edit with Elementor, and view the page's responsiveness in terms of mobile, it's a very nice and easy way of just clicking up here and then having that menu break down here. It's not working for me right now, but basically what's happened here is you click on here, the menu will break down here, and it's an easier way for you to get back to the home page. Right, if we click on here, this is tablet mode, and this is desktop mode. Okay, cool. Now let's go back. So what you're going to do here is you're going to layer this in terms of how important each menu is. Homepage almost always comes at the top. About us or about. You can. This is another important thing. You can layer these things underneath each other. So, for example, about you could put contact like this here, and if we save that, save menu, right? We come over here and we reload the page. You will see that under this here now, contact is there. Usually, we just have it as that. Save, reload, right? But this is a great way, for example, if you use or have multiple services. Let's say I've got a painting service, a review service, a renewal service, a removal service. I can put all of those under services and have people quickly and easily navigate underneath there. Now, if you're curious about how the Let's Talk button is there, it's simple. Go to Customize, let it load together, click on this bar up here, click on Edit, Design, and over here at the bottom, you can see where everything is. So for example, if I wanted to add a button here, or move this from here to here, I could do that. or I could put it in the dead center of the page, or I could move it all the way over here, right? Or I could remove that button, or I could just bring it back, right? So this is generally where you edit this section of the header. You can publish it, you can undo, you can save this draft, all of that. I'm not going to save this. I'm just going to undo for now, right? But in general, that's how you edit the navigational bars. In layman's terms, the navigational bars is not something that everybody always uses, but when you do use it, you notice if it's good or not. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm sorry, guys. My throat is giving up on me already. So please, ask any questions in the comments, and I'll see you all tomorrow.